And now let's move on to another world first, and this one I think is absolutely remarkable. I mean, think about it. An air conditioner that you install, ACs are becoming dramatically different in what they do, right? At one time it used to be this big bulky box, and that's pretty much what it used to be. Now ACs are so different. I mean, you can change tonnage, you can actually have them smart, they actually know how many people are there in a room. But did you ever think an AC would also be able to do something like eliminate COVID-19, the coronavirus, get rid of bacteria and viruses in your room? Well, I never thought of it until someone came up with it. Panasonic HU series ACs can actually do that. But that's just the start. They can do so much more.
Temperature rising, days getting longer, that prickly feeling as you go out, it's safe to say that summers are officially here. This change in weather also means a change in our technology, more specifically our air conditioners. But even this category has dramatically changed. Case in point, the HU series inverter AC by Panasonic. While this has everything you need in terms of technology within, it has one more feature that is absolutely the need of the hour. This new Gen AC promises to safeguard users against the coronavirus. Yes, you heard that right. So how does it do that? In terms of design for the HU series, Panasonic has done a great job. The indoor unit is sleek, minimalistic and clean looking. The design is also quite practical since it is really easy to open up the front lid and take out the filters in case a user wants to clean them. A basic feature but crucial when you're dealing with split ACs. This design language is followed up on the outdoor unit as well, which looks strikingly premium in its silver grey finish. There is an LED display towards the right side of the AC which depicts basic information like the temperature and cooling mode. Time to turn it on and beat the heat. We decided to start out slow and set the temperature of the AC to 22 degrees. Within minutes we could feel the temperature around us drop. Great airthrow and optimal cooling. The compressor on board is tuned optimally. Also, while we switched between different fan speeds, we noticed how silent the AC is even at the highest speed setting. We have the bigger 1.5 ton variant, which is a better choice for bigger areas like drawing rooms, since the smaller 1 ton might not be sufficient to cover greater real estate. But it is not the cooling that sets the HU series apart from a regular air conditioner. As it turns out, Panasonic has introduced their latest Nano E technology with the HU series. An incredible innovation, the Nano EX technology has been tested and proven to inhibit 99% of bacteria and viruses, including COVID-19. Once turned on, the HU series air conditioner generates 4.8 trillion OH radicals per second, which attach themselves to the airborne bacteria and inhibit them. This anti-COVID technology works in a 3-step process. First, the OH radicals attach themselves to the virus, then they transfer the virus protein and inhibit the virus in the final step. Fortunately, you don't necessarily have to turn on the compressor to use the Nano EX function since it works with a regular fan mode as well. Also, this is not the only Nano E function on board. The HU series can also act as a purifier with the press of a button, thanks to the Nano EG technology. This active air purification technology inhibits pollutants by deactivating 99% of airborne particles and PM2.5. The AC generates 3 trillion negative ions per second that eliminate the airborne pollutants, thus improving the air quality around us. Just like the Nano EX function, Nano EG can also be used with regular fan mode, which means in winters when pollution is reigning supreme, the HU series AC will act as a potential deterrent against it. The Nano EG function can be turned on or off. The unit comes with a backlit display remote, very easy to use, and we were able to understand the functions quickly. But it's not just the remote with which one can command this AC, since this air conditioner has got smart features as well. With inbuilt Wi-Fi, a user can connect using Panasonic's Mirai app. The Mirai app is a well thought out and high-tech app that works to give you control from changing the cooling modes to turning on the Nano EG feature. A user can also make a customized hourly temperature schedule using the app, a feature we'd like to see in more air conditioners down the line. The smart arc of the HU series is completed with the fact that we can also talk to this air conditioner since it is compatible with both Amazon Alexa and Google Home. So should you be switching to the Panasonic HU series inverter AC this summer? We would say absolutely yes. It does everything a normal AC does and more, plus it brings in super smart features, plus air purification and the super innovation of it being able to neutralize bacteria and viruses, including COVID-19.